Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is this May month bringing into our lives. May 2026. What are the changes it is bringing into our lives? What is all entering? What are the energies entering into this May month? Wow! First card is the strongest card. First card itself is the Wheel of Fortune. So, Wheel of Fortune is like luck is on our side. The whole universe is conspiring to give whatever we have asked for. So, but only one thing from your side is be confirmed in whatever you're asking for. Before becoming confirmed, first of all, know about yourselves. Yes, this is who I am, and this is what I want, and this is what I want to live, and this is what I wish to live. So, this is what I'm climbing from you. So, give me this. Like that, ask the universe very like how to tell with so much of clarity and confidence and conformly climb whatever you want. So let us see still more what is all the changes coming in this May 2026. The Magician. All major arcanas. Magician is like he has everything what he does not have. He has everything, but still he raises his standards. He heals all his emotional wounds. He uses his mind itself as a magical wand to connect with the universe, and he realizes universe is not outside of himself. Universe is within him, and he surrenders completely whatever he wishes for. He surrenders to the universe with lots of divine faith, so that whatever he is asking and whatever he is connecting to the universe through his mind, he is able to manifest that. That is what is the Magician. So that is all, that energy is all entering into your life in this May 2026. Still more, what is all is entering into our lives in this May 2026? Page of Pentacles. Pentacles itself is a solid opportunity, either in relationship or either in career. Pages are all young and energetic, enthusiastic chaps. Okay, and pages is all or like research scholars. So pages won't do anything like all of a sudden. No, they analyze things. They just check for themselves. Will this give me whatever I am longing for? Will this give me that happiness and satisfaction? Like that. So some energy is entering, some solid opportunity is definitely entering into your life. So that solid opportunity, you are just doing little analysis, because now you know about yourselves also. Now this is who I am, like that. So when you know this is who I am, you are analyzing, is this what I want, and will this give me happiness? All that things you are analyzing. So this energy is also entering in this May. So something you have asked for, that is coming in. Might be a change in career, might be a change in permanent relationship. You want a long term relationship, that is coming. Three of Swords, oh my god, such a heavy energy. But still, what I'm telling is, don't think it's an upset. Instead of that, think God is setting you up for whatever was prior, whatever was there, present prior, that didn't serve your highest good. So, God is some or the other way removing that thing which is not serving your highest good to provide you with, to set you up with whatever is going to serve you the highest good, even either it's in love relationship or friendship, whatever it might be. Okay, so don't feel upset, don't feel that heartbreak. Even if you feel also now, don't suffer, learn the life lesson and march forward. Yes, I underwent this suffering. Yes, it is very painful, but still it's okay. I will march forward in life. Okay, so always the better and better things are coming towards you. God will always give you the best only. Believe in that. So you have asked for the best with high standards. So never lower your standards for see, now you didn't get whatever you want. You are feeling lonely, you are feeling depressed just because of this depression and loneliness and all the negativities. Don't accept something which is not for your standards. And already something you have manifested, you are suffering because it's not for your standards. That is why you are suffering. Now God is self is removing that from your life and providing you with whatever you have asked for your standards. Okay, so for that only he is clearing the space, and already which was present is leaving the space, and it's going out, and that space is getting emptied. So allow that. Don't feel upset. If you want to cry, cry and let go of all those energies and just get up like a how to tell, still more stronger version of yourselves. Better and better versions are coming, better things are coming, and universe will always give you the best of whatever you have asked for. Trust in that. And such energy is entering, actually more than entering, what I'm trying to see, such energy is going to enter. Universe is working for that. Okay, you have connected with the universe, you have asked universe also. So universe wants to give that time. If the old energy is there, universe cannot give, so universe is removing that old energy. Accept that. This is all coming in May 2026. So what is still more coming in May 2026? So what is all coming into our lives in May 2026? What is all coming into our lives in May 2026? Queen of Pentacles. See, when you accept that, when you become stronger version, you become rock solid. Okay, so when you become rock solid, you will become the most abundant and prosperous person with so much of abundant mindset. Only a person who has abundant mindset now, all the her aura itself will be very abundant. So what all she is dreaming of, all those dreams will get attracted towards her in her life and will stay. Okay, it's not like she need not have to chase. More or less like she's in the initial stages of empress energy. Okay, so this is all entering into your life in May 2026. So now let us see what all we have to change to reach our goal. Okay, we have some certain dreams, and we have certain goals, and we want to live that dream life in reality. For that there are so many blocks, and there should be some changes made so that that block is removed and we can march forward in our journey towards our dreams, and so that we can live our dreams in reality, isn't it? So for that, what are the changes we have to make, and what are the changes universe is asking us to make, that we are going to see now. Okay, May 2026, what are the changes we have to make? May 2026, what are the changes we have to make? May 2026, what are the changes we have to make? May 2026, what are the changes we have to make? What is the universe information regarding that? May 2026, what is the universe asking us to change? May 2026, what is universe asking us to change? May 2026, what is universe asking us to change to reach our goals, to live our dreams in reality? Two of Wands. Two of Wands is path of chosen. So first of all, that is what it is, just below the Wheel of Fortune card. That is what I said. First, to know who you are from within. Two of Wands is path of chosen. Okay, so decide what you want. It's okay. Either you want the socially conditioned life or you want your dream life. Whichever you choose, it's your free will choice. and divine will respect that, and divine will guide you and help you to live that, achieve that. Okay, whichever path you choose. But only thing is, be confirm and confident in whatever you choose. And when you choose something out of love, not out of fear. Next is Three of Wands. Three of Wands is exactly below Magician. Three of Wands is what I feel is, it is like you chose, you path of chosen, isn't it? You chose whatever you want. Now, after choosing that, take action. You have to take the desired action, not some whatever you wanted to do. No, 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 no. It will take some time. Then you will try this, it won't work out. Then you will drop that, again you will take the other action. If it works out, well and good. If that also doesn't work, you have to drop that. No, no, no. Gain the knowledge, what you have to do. Collect witnesses. Before this, whatever you have dreamt of, some other people also would have dreamt about that. They would have achieved in that line. Go collect all those proofs, connect the dots, see how they have achieved. Then you create a plan of action, then take action and execute that plan of action. Okay, that is what is Three of Wands. Now, the next card is whatever, Empress. I said, Page of Pentacles to Queen of Pentacles to Empress. This is the starting stage of Empress, I said. Now the Empress card itself came. So the change you have to make is, you are chasing your dreams. No, stop that energy. You need not have to chase your dreams. Whatever is meant for you will definitely come to you. No other person is going to steal that or grab that, take away and go off. No, no. Whatever universe has created for you, it's for you only. Until you go and pick that up, it will be there only, hanging and waiting for you. Okay, only thing what you have to do is, you have to make yourselves eligible enough that you raise your standards, you become a divine feminine, and your aura itself, magnetically attractive aura, and what all are your dreams, it gets attracted towards you, and with willingness all those dreams comes to you and enters in your life and stays in your life, so that you live your dreams in reality. You have to make yourselves eligible for that. Okay, that is what is you have to do in 2026. So stop chasing. Chasing is also like attachment. Chasing is also like obsession. Chasing is also like too much of overgiving. The next card is Fool card. Fool is like, be ready to take risks. See, this person is standing in the mountain cliff. Next step, if they keep, they'll fall into the water. But still, they are ready to take the risk. Okay, still they are ready to take that leap of faith. That faith is with whom? With divine. So they are ready to surrender and take that leap of faith, that utmost surrender. So be like that. Surrender to divine with utmost faith. Take that leap of faith. Okay, take the next step. Divine will protect you, divine will guide you, divine will take you to wherever you want to go. Okay, so this is what is Fool card. Be ready to take calculative risks. Divine will never let you down. Strongly have faith in the divine. Okay, next card is Page of Wands. Page of Wands is like, first to do a research in your passion. Okay, Wands is fire element. If you tame, it is passion. If you don't tame, it becomes ego. Okay, so Page of Wands, pages are all young and enthusiastic energy. Pages are all research scholars. So when you select a career, okay, and when you select, you want to earn money with emotional satisfaction, with emotional fulfillment, and you want to earn money. Like, if you do that job, you should not get bored. You should not feel, Abba, I'm tired. Yeah, when will this work get over? I just want to finish it off and get out of this. You should not feel that. How much of a time you sit and work, you should not know how much time passed itself. Work should be like that. That work should become your career. So you have to choose your passion as career. Now it's high time, when you know this is who I am, this is what I want to live, this is my dreams, you should also know what is my passion. What do I want to live? What is my life purpose? Something if I do, what do I don't get completely bored of, if I do something, what energizes me, all these things you should know. Okay, and select that thing which if you keep on doing also, if nobody values you also, you keep doing it out of self motivation, and you keep doing it very interestingly, and as you keep on doing it, it energizes you. That is your passion actually. Make that as your career. Okay, when you make that as your career, when you invest your time and energy, when you put your whole soul and heart 100% in work, whatever you have given as investment na, for that multiple folds of materialistic abundance you will get from the universe. Okay, so be on authentic, be honest, select whatever is your passion, make that passion into career. That is what is Page of Wands. So this is what is all for May 2026. So let us see some interesting reading next in the upcoming readings also. Until then, bye.